can start by telling us your county and your ethnicity.
My home county is Kisii County, and ethnicity, I'm a Kisii.
Very well. So we'll now start the interview. We've looked at your CV and all the documents that you provided. But I would like you to briefly tell us who is Justice Juvenalis Angima, and what are the special skills, knowledge, and value that you're going to hand to the Court of Appeal. Those are 4 questions, expecting you to take about 4 minutes to tell me.
Okay, thank you, Chair. My name is Juvenalis Angima. I'm a judge of the Environment and Land Court, and I've been serving in the judiciary for this is my 10th year. I was appointed in 2016. So currently serving at Mombasa. I have previously served in Nyandarua County, in Nyahururu, in Laikipia, and Embu. Prior to joining the judiciary, I had served with various public bodies and private entities. I had served as a company secretary at the Kenya Civil Aviation Authority. I had served as a head of legal services at the Commission on Administrative Justice, and I served as an attorney at the Kenya Anti-Corruption Commission. And prior to that, I had been in private practice, working with private law firms for about 9 years. So in total, I have about post-admission experience, about 28 years. In terms of qualifications, I have a master's degree in commercial law. I have a bachelor's degree, LLB, from the University of Nairobi, postgraduate diploma in law from the Kenya School of Law. And I have various professional qualifications, such as LSDP from the Kenya School of Government, Senior Management course. I'm a certified professional mediator. And in terms of soft skills that you can bring to the judiciary, I would pick out about 3. First, I'm a team player. I'm able to work very well with my colleagues, my friends, my neighbors, church members, and be able to demonstrate in the course of the interview some of the assignments which I have undertaken and where I've been a team leader. In terms of the second would be patience. Being a judicial officer requires a lot of patience. Listening to litigants, to advocates, bringing various issues before you. And sometimes when you think that some of the issues are not so pertinent, you are obligated to be very patient, to listen carefully, to listen courteously, and give them enough time to be heard. The third one I would point out is adaptability. Now, when you're working as a judicial officer, there are various challenges you encounter, especially when conducting proceedings. So when I served in my first station in Embu, some of the challenges I encountered were counsels would take forever to file the submissions. They would ask for more time, they extend time. When they come up with the next mention, they will not be ready. So what I did, I decided to do away with all the mentions. Once a matter is concluded, give you a date for ruling or for judgment, so that there is no opportunity in between to delay the fixing of a date for judgment or for ruling. Then later on, when we had the COVID-19, we had a change of circumstances, and I had also to adapt accordingly, because the advocates had no opportunity and the parties to file submissions directly. They had to use online means, and at the time we didn't have an e-filing system, so they had to send an email to the court so that the court staff could download the various submissions and have them placed on record. And then I found there would be delay on the part of the court staff in doing so. So I had to reinstate the mentions for the purpose of confirming that our staff have done the needful, downloaded the submissions, placed them on record before I could give a date for judgment. And once we were done...
We are now going into the meat of the interview. We're going into technical areas.